You just get more at Sunset Ford, and people do like that.
When you hear those words and see the familiar Sunset logo, the message is always the same. No false claims or hyperbole, just the truth. All Ford dealers pay exactly the same for the same vehicles, and all the incentives are exactly the same too. And only Sunset includes warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. Sunset exclusives that'll save you thousands. No Ford dealer can sell for less, and nobody gives you more than Sunset, making Sunset Ford one of the fastest growing Ford dealerships in Washington State. So the idea of a sale is kinda silly when Sunset offers their best prices every day. But since Ford has discontinued the Ford Focus, Taurus, Fiesta, Flex, and Fusion, Sunset is now very price motivated to eliminate them all. These prices will give other Ford stores fits. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity on a brand new Ford Focus, Taurus, Fiesta, Flex, or Fusion, with all the Sunset exclusive extras. Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.